Bitcoin is now testing two major support signals at the same time. One signal is coming from the Bitcoin price chart. The second signal is coming from the weekly RSI. And in previous cycles, these areas were not random. They appeared near some of the most important Bitcoin turning points. This does not mean Bitcoin must bounce immediately, but it does mean Bitcoin is now near a rare combination of price support and momentum support. If these areas hold, Bitcoin could start building strength again. But if they fail, the market could open the door for a deeper correction. Hi everyone, this is Mindagas. I focus on Bitcoin market cycles, risk zones, and long-term opportunity areas. Today I want to show you two important signals on the Bitcoin weekly chart and why this area matters right now. On the screen, you are looking at the Bitcoin weekly chart. The first thing I want to show you is the Fibonacci channel line. Right now, Bitcoin is trading very close to this line. This is important because this same line acted as a major support area in previous cycles. Now, let's look at the second signal. On the screen, you can see the weekly RSI indicator. I marked one important white support line on the RSI. Right now, the RSI has also returned to this line. So Bitcoin is not reacting to only one important area. Price is near the Fibonacci channel support, and momentum is also testing a historical RSI level. That is why this setup matters. Let's start with the Fibonacci channel. In 2021, Bitcoin bounced strongly from this line and moved into the cycle top. In 2024, we can see another strong reaction from the same area. Bitcoin tested this line, bounced from it, and continued higher. Now, let's look at the RSI line. In December 2018, RSI moved above this white line. Then in January 2019, RSI came back down to test the same area. It moved around this level for several weeks, then bounced strongly. Around the same time, Bitcoin entered a new bull rally. Now look at 2020. Bitcoin had a sharp price drop. During that move, RSI tested the same white line again. It bounced strongly from that area, and the bull rally continued. Then in December 2022, RSI reacted from this line again. That reaction appeared near the beginning of the next major bullish phase. And now, in 2026, RSI moved above this line and has now returned back down to test it again. So we have the same basic message from both charts. Bitcoin price is near a major Fibonacci channel line, and weekly RSI is testing a level that reacted strongly in previous cycles. So what does this mean right now? Bitcoin is now near a rare combination of price support and momentum support. This does not guarantee that Bitcoin must bounce from here. But historically, when price structure and momentum tested important areas together, the next reaction mattered a lot. If Bitcoin holds this area, the market could start building strength again. But if Bitcoin breaks below these levels, then the risk of a deeper correction becomes much higher. The key message is simple. Bitcoin is not sitting in a random place. It is testing an important area on both price and momentum at the same time. Bitcoin can still move lower from here. This is a weekly chart, so this is not a one-day signal. Support can hold. Support can fail. That is why this area matters so much. For long-term investors, the important question is not what Bitcoin does in the next few hours. The important question is whether price and momentum can hold these areas on the weekly chart. What do you think? Will these support signals hold, or is Bitcoin preparing for a deeper correction? Today I showed you the facts again. If you find this useful, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.